we have multiplication, decimal numbers by power of 10. So how we do this? First, let me rewrite our example. We have 49.28 because we have 5 zeros here, so I make extra space, and we have multiplying times 100,000. Again, like I said, multiplication. So we move to the right side decimal point. And how many decimal places? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And empty spaces we have to fill by zeros. Decimal point at the end will be. So my solution will be 4928000. How to check? When you have multiplication, you should always get the number greater than you have at the beginning. We have 49.28 times 100,000, so the number must be greater. And that's why we see that we got number greater. When you had division, after division must be smaller. And next example, let me rewrite this. We have 8346 decimal point 41. I will make the space because we have many zeros. 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. So we multiply by 10,000. And again, how we do this? Multiplication. So we have to move decimal point to the right side. And how many spaces? 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. So 4 decimal places. 1, 2, 3, 4. And empty spaces we fill by zeros. Decimal point we have at the end. So the solution will be 834641000. Decimal point at the end. We don't have to write. This is my solution.